Let's see how to print a booklet in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And then, as you can see here, we have our document ready to be printed. Now, print a booklet. It's very similar to how you would print a normal document. Simply go into the File tab and click on Print. And this right here should show or preview your document. And to print the booklet, simply click on Page Setup. And right here, down on the pages, you can choose to either set it as portrait or landscape, and you can choose a book fold, which will also preview how it will come out in print. And as you can see here, there is this gutter option, and you'll see what happens when I increase it is that it also increases the space in between these two in the preview. And so this is helpful in cases where you have to adjust for the spine of the booklet and the margins as well. And as soon as you have that, simply click OK. And here, your document or booklet will be previewed again. And you can browse it just to check pages 3 and 4, pages 4 and 5, and finally, the final page. And just like that, click print. And that is how you print a booklet in Microsoft Word. I'll see you soon.